Yo people, what's up? Haven't seen you in like 6 months since like, I don't know, maybe February? So, yeah, it is. So, this thing's just a little vlog, letting you know how I'm doing. Things have been really stressful. Turns out I can't get my permit until I'm 16 if I'm not doing a class. So yeah. And yeah, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to get at least 20 subscribers because I'm not that popular. And yeah, tell me how your summer's going. My summer's going awesome, and this month I'm going to Point Defiance Zoo in Tacoma, Washington. I can't wait. So yeah.